Cigweld offers a range of professional-grade, high-impact helmets that welders can rely on to safeguard their eyes and their heads from the danger of the workshop or the work site. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Yes, you only get one pair of eyes, so it's worth protecting them from flash burns. The Cigweld ProLite and the Cigweld ProPlus welding helmets and the Esab Sentinel A50 all offer super-fast automatic darkening technology. And thanks to the inclusion of multiple sensors and variable shades, these helmets are sensitive to changing light, including lower current AC and DC TIG welds where the arc light is less intense, ensuring that protection is combined with maximum visibility. A simple switch allows operators to choose between welding and grinding modes so they're not plunged into darkness the moment they pick up a grinder. Built to Australian standards for both impact protection and eye safety, these helmets are also ergonomically designed for operator comfort. 4 or 5-point internal headgear ensures the helmets are comfortable to wear with the mass evenly distributed. More information about these and other welding helmets can be found at allthew's cigweld.com.au. I'm Tim Webster and thanks for watching.